So we also have the Proton unit, which is the self-powered tracker with the built-in battery. With that, when it comes to fitting, it's about as easy as it comes, because it's as simple as just putting anywhere you want. When they come, they'll come with a metal plate with the sticky pads on the back. However, you don't necessarily need to use that. If it is the case that it's a metal surface, all you have to do is stick it on. Take it back off. You can use the pad at another time if you need. It's not fixed to one device. You can move that between anywhere you want. I mean, we do have customers now using them in the likes of toolboxes as well as trailers. But if you need any further information on that, please get in touch.